Guys, I captured a bug called a stink bug, and I'm gonna open it with my sister called Kaylah. Come on, let's open. First, Kaylah's gonna get a leaf. I'm going to open. Oh, the bug is already getting out. Get in, Buggy. Get in. He's getting bug. Wow, where's he gone? Here. Come here. Oh, he's on the leaf. I don't know what he's called. I think he's called a jump stick. Oh! He lives on that Pooey. He's in the shell, Pooey. He's in the shell. Look. Pooey. I called him Pooey. It's a stink bug. Ooh, stinky. Let me smell him. Look! He stinks. I think he wants to become a snail. Okay, he's inside. Maybe he's sleeping. Maybe he wanted a bed. Maybe he got it for a bed. I'm gonna put him some shells and leaves. Did you know that stink bugs can eat leaves? Put him some leaves already, but he put him in leaf already. Here, look. A little stink bug bite. I'm gonna close Pooey in his new home, and I'm gonna get some fruits for him. Bye!